Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to go over how to connect Digit with other financial apps. So if you're using budgeting, investment, or banking apps alongside Digit, connecting them can help get you a full picture of your finances. So let me show you what to do. First, check Digit's integration options. Now, Digit doesn't natively support integrations with other third-party apps, but it works well in tandem with apps that you can read your bank data, like Mint, YNAB, or personal credit. Now you can synced via linked bank accounts. So since Digit works by connecting to your bank, any app that also uses your bank account for data tracking will automatically reflect Digit's activity, like savings transfers or Go updates. You can export data from Digit. Of course, this is optional, but if you need more detailed information, just go to your account settings in Digit and download transactions history or summaries. You can then manually upload this to the other apps if supported. You could also use a platform like Plaid if it's available. Now, some finance platforms allow you to link apps together, via services like Plaid. If Digit appears as an option there, just follow the prompts to authorize access. You can also monitor activities across all apps. So once linked indirectly through your bank, you'll see your savings contributions and withdrawals appear in other apps, helping you, of course, to track cash flow and balances easily. Connecting Digit with your broader financial toolkit helps to streamline your money management and give you more clarity and control. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you never miss another update in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.